So today in this video I'm going to show you that how you can record the screen of your computer or laptop and make video. You can record the screen along stream game and play other recorded video in different type of social media like Facebook pages, Twitch and YouTube too. So without wasting time, let's get this video started. First, open your browser, then type OBS Studio. You can just go directly in the link description below. There is the official link of the OBS Studio. OBS Studio is available for the Windows, Mac and Linux operating system. Professional YouTuber and game streamer use this software to stream game and record video. From this, you can record the screen of the computer. Download and install it. As you can see here, I have already installed it, so I can cancel the download. Sometime it need driver to install OBS in other computer. Install if it required. It will automatically ask if required and give the hint. Then open OBS Studio. As you can see, I'm recording the screen with the software now. Now go to scene and add scene. You can add different type of element too. You can put pictures too. To record the screen, just add display capture. Then your screen starts recording. If you want to stop recording, just stop the recording. I will upload the next video how to stream games or video on YouTube or other social media. So that's for today. If you like this video, thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.